We do custom here at TMG Pits. We have got the biggest copperhead smoker we've ever built rolling out shop today. Let's check it out. Now guys, this rig's going on man Keenan. Got a 120 by 30 copperhead offset pit on one slick custom trailer. The guy was on the trailer. We went all out on the color scheme of it. All right, we've got some army green backdrops here. You'll see that army green, black, bronze theme throughout the whole rig. So we got our propane tanks up here, a little bit of storage up front as well. All powder coated finish, guys. Everything you see here has been powder coated. Now on the pit, 120 by 30 copperhead. Does have the strut assisted lid. We do have a safety lock on it as well. This is a reverse flow pit. So we have got reverse flow plates down here. They are removable, so you lift them up out of there. Makes it very easy to clean up the bottom of the smoker. Bottom and top sliding trays, of course, in both doors. A lot of cook room on this unit, guys. Now we got the upgraded raceline wheels, powder coated bronze, of course, to match. Grass or grain Beef House logo, following that color scheme. Come around to the hot box, huge hot box on this rig, very bigly. 6 sliding trays in here. Same setup as always, guys. The hot box runs independent from the smoke chamber. So you'll be cooking at 2 different temperatures using the same fire. Makes it extremely versatile. Now on the firebox, he did opt for our insulated firebox. Got our fire management cradle in there as well. But we're just getting started, guys. Come on to the passenger side of the rig here. In the back, we've got one of our stainless prep tops. So that folds up. You got your storage underneath. Fold it back down, prep off of it, serve off of it, sit down, take a break on it if you need to. Up next, we've got an 8.5 gallon triple basket fryer regulator right here for you. Next to that, our double burner setup. So we've got 2 10-inch propane burners, regulators up front here. Set your pot or pan there, or fold down your 1/4-inch plate steel griddle top and go to town on it. Up next, our dumpster direct heat cooker. This is our smallest direct heat cooker, 36 by 23. Top grates removable, lifts up out of there. Now this model, we got the "we forgot your bottom grate." That doesn't happen always, but I'm gonna have to get on to somebody for that. A little rust in the bottom of it. We're gonna get that cleaned up, guys. Don't you worry. I'm just gonna go fire 3 people because of that. Up front here, we've got, fold down stack. Can't forget that. You wouldn't want to be going down the road with that thing folded up. You're gonna take out every bridge in Knoxville. Up here, we've got a matching spare tire, of course. And that wraps up Keenan's rig, guys. Pretty slick build here. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.